What's up everyone? My friend recently gave me a Fendi dust bag.
Okay, screw this long ass intro. So basically, my friend gave me a dust bag from Fendi and challenged me to do something with it. Fendi, if you don't know, well, Google it. What do you think this channel is about? I took the dust bag, unstitched it so I could lay it flat. Was considering stopping the video right here and make this a scarf or a bib, and then decided not to go with this and make a pair of shorts instead. I made the pattern, didn't film it. Made a salad, didn't film it. Starting to cut the front pieces, making sure to go around the Fendi logo, and then decided to make pockets. I know I didn't make pockets on the NBA shorts. I was busy, bro. I know I didn't make pockets on the NBA socks pants. I was lazy, bro. This time I pulled up a tutorial to make an actual pocket, like these. Not like this, or like that, but like these.
These nuts got him!
Sweet. Starting cutting, stitching, folding, restitching, and bam, my first ever pocket. Yes, that's fake Fendi fabric. Call my lawyer.
Saul Goodman, please sit.
Okay, next. Bag pieces, no pockets this time. Boom. Attach the bag to the front. Boom. Connected the leg and crotch. Boom. Now, the waistband. I was out of dust bag fabric, so I used a white linen. The same I used for the Bad Bunny t-shirt. By the way, Bad Bunny, my cousin took that t-shirt. It's too late now. Call my lawyer. Measured the length of the waistband, cut and sewed it together, added an elastic band, closed it up, attached it to the shorts, and voila. Ready for the reveal? 3, 2, 1.
Bon, t'as kiffé Mal ou quoi?
Impeccable. Impeccable.
Nice.